Innovation that changes the world starts with a wish for a better life. A dream where you can make whatever you want freely. A dream where you can change your lifestyle without limitations. Plastics were born from that kind of dream. Isn't there a way in which technology contributes not only to develop our life, but also to protect our environment? NPC's eco-friendly technology started with that kind of wish. In the same way of nature, where tiny seeds fall on the ground and germinate, becoming trees and releasing the fruits back to the ground to nourish the trees, NPC allows plastics produced to come back from consumers all the way to the first production site to make them reborn as new products. We are leading the way in protecting the environment, having the first unified virtuous cycle reproduction system in Korea. NPC's virtuous cycle reproduction system starts from the R&D Center, Advanced Plastics Research Center. The R&D Center not only has the world-class research equipment, but also develops eco-friendly biodegradable resins that can decompose 90% of plastics within 6 months. We also develop various products that can be used as high-tech new materials and renewable materials. All of this is laying the groundwork for the development of eco-friendly products to be recovered and reproduced without producing waste. Products planned using eco-friendly raw materials in the R&D Center leads to mold production by NPC Moldtech, and final products are produced directly by NPC Corporation. This process allows us to maintain almost perfect quality control. The final products are then delivered and retrieved by the high-tech system of NPC Logis. The retrieved waste products are sent to NPC Chemical, where they are pulverized and processed into recycled materials, where they are produced into new products. The virtuous cycle reproduction system networks the characteristics of each affiliate, from production to sales, retrieval, and recycling. This cycle is NPC's own unique, eco-friendly reproduction system that aims to create a safer and cleaner environment. Earth, the source of life. We protect its greenery by developing eco-friendly products and putting recycling into practice. The number of disposable wooden pallets produced annually is over 30 million pieces. As a result, the amount of forest destroyed each year exceeds 250,000 tons, which is equivalent to the amount of 3 million 20-year-old pine trees. NPC has developed one-way export pallets to replace the wooden pallets and provided more than 10 million pieces per year to protect forests from being logged. In addition, with our eco-friendly policy, we recycle 100% of the discarded plastics to produce them into new products. We are taking the lead in environmental protection practices. The multi-use cold chain transport box has been applied to NPC's eco-friendly policy. It is made of recycled materials such as PCR and eco-friendly insulation materials in order to maintain the best freshness with a combination of temperature and humidity checking features, as well as the GPS function. In addition, NRS, an NPC rental service, has a returnable system that collects multi-use cold chain transport boxes from the customers and resupplies them after washing and cleaning. We are practicing ESG management by providing an eco-friendly service which can replace styrofoam transport boxes or paper boxes. The issue of waste battery disposal has been rapidly increased, along with the growing demand in the electric vehicle market. This leads to another problem of generating environmental waste. Accordingly, NPC is protecting the environment from land pollution by developing and producing biodegradable resins that decompose naturally and pallets that transport waste batteries exclusively. NPC's foldable pallets used for waste battery transport are optimized for stable and semi-permanent transport of over 500 kilogram heavyweight used batteries. In this way, we reduce a huge amount of environmental waste that is generated by traditional disposable cardboard, wood, and steel pallets. The atmosphere where life breathes. We reduce pollution and keep it clear. NPC is implementing a groundbreaking eco-friendly reproduction system by using recycled plastic materials for more than 50% of the plastic raw materials. This has the equivalent effect of planting 18 million 30-year-old trees on an area 15.7 times larger than Yoido every year. Having beliefs that a better environment creates a better world, NPC's eco-friendly principles are thoroughly implemented with the selection of raw materials. The sea, where life springs. NPC technology keeps it clean. NPC keeps effort to create cleaner environments at sea. Currently, 55 million buoys are floating in the seas around Korea. 72% of them are made of styrofoam, and 2 million buoys are damaged by waves every year. The damaged styrofoam buoys are scattered in the sea as microplastic grains that cannot be collected, which causes serious marine pollution. NPC's eco-friendly buoys prevent marine pollution by replacing broken and submerged styrofoam buoys and plastic buoys. NPC also unifies steady management, collection, and reproduction of buoys by establishing an eco-friendly buoy virtuous cycle system that connects with fishermen and Suhyang, National Federation of Fisheries Cooperatives, into one network. In this way, we are leading the way in keeping our beautiful sea cleaner. NPC started as National Plastics Company Limited in 1965 and has been leading Korea's representative plastic industry for over 50 years. We are now heading beyond Korea to the world on the basis of innovative systems and research and development of new materials suitable for the new eco-friendly era. Starting with the establishment of a local subsidiary in Singapore in 1981, NPC is a global company with a total of 6 overseas branches, including overseas plants in 3 countries, in Thailand, Indonesia, China, and Vietnam, as well as Mexico and the United States. In addition to local production overseas, NPC is achieving globalization of our own eco-friendly logistics system. Particularly, we are implementing eco-friendly packaging logistics that optimizes medium to long-distance logistic transports in India to reduce generation of packaging waste by supplying them with NPC's own logistics standardization system. Furthermore, we are achieving globalization of eco-friendly systems by applying NRS's own IRP system in India, Southeast Asia, Russia, Brazil, and Egypt, one of the world's 4 largest automobile markets. As an example, CKD automobile parts used are fully recovered and reused after being transferred to the logistics business. NPC has been making efforts to develop quality and eco-friendly technology to meet the world standards. We are now moving beyond the Korean plastic industry to become a global, top-notch eco-friendly company, so that technological advances can contribute not only to the convenience of life, but also to the protection and preservation of the environment, dreaming of a better tomorrow. We will create the future where technology and environment grow together. NPC.